The biggest thing about acai berry is marketing and educating the Indonesian people. And I think the Indonesian lifestyle is now becoming a lot more healthier. People are much more into their health and fitness.
Okay, Jacob, thank you for your time. And we are very interested with your product because many customers visit your booth. Can you tell us about what actually you sell to the customer, and you can share a bit about your product also?
Yes, thank you. Nama saya Jacob, director of the Berry Brothers. We are specialists in acai berry. The acai berry comes from Brazil, and we import this to both Australia and also Indonesia and manufacture our beautiful and great tasting acai products. Acai is a superfruit and it's filled with antioxidants, great for the health. And that's why we're here showcasing at FHI to try and give the Jakarta people something healthy for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So if you're around, come and visit us at the booth B3 and try it for yourself.
You said that your product is very famous in Bali around 3 years ago.
Yep.
So can you tell about when you started and how it's going?
Yeah, so Bali is like a second home for both myself and my brother Nathan. So we thought the Balinese tropical environment is hot. Acai bowls are cool. They're enjoyed in the hot summer months. So we started in Bali, and now we supply about 50 or 60 Balinese restaurants and cafes.
How's going in Bali? Your market go bigger and bigger, and what's your perspective about the yogurt in the industry itself?
Yeah, I think now the biggest thing about acai berry is marketing and educating the Indonesian people. And I think the Indonesian lifestyle is now becoming a lot more healthier. People are much more into their health and fitness. For example, the run clubs that we see in both Bali and Jakarta. So look, I think you will see acai in most cafes and restaurants in the coming 12 months.
Okay, one last question. HI can give you some business partner or something like collaboration?
Yeah, I think that's the whole reason why we're expoing at FHI, right? We want to grow as the business, and we're looking for anybody who may want to franchise the products, who may want to distribute the products in their own cities. For example, Jakarta, we know that it has a massive demographic for this. And other places as Bandung, Surabaya, places like this, I think acai is just starting to get known, and we're here to support the growth of the acai berry in Indonesia.
Oh yeah, forget. Which city in Bali you are sell very good?
The cities where we're located in Bali is in Canggu. We have a warehouse and also a small cafe situated under the same roof.
So we can visit you in Bali.
So come and visit us when you're in Bali.